Hey everyone and welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check the status of your OnePay debit card. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got started with using OnePay and you're looking to receive that debit card to use for future purchases. How do you actually go ahead and check the status of your OnePay debit card? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, let's first open up the OnePay app, and if you just sign up for the OnePay app, on the upper hand side, you should see a notification that says your OnePay debit card is on its way. If you want to go ahead and find the status of it, click on details to the right of it. And as you can see, it now says that it's preparing the card, but the card has not been shipped. And it's also going to be saying when the card will be arriving. Now keep in mind that before your physical card arrives, you can use your card number or add your OnePay debit card to Apple Pay so that you can actually start using it now. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and check the status of your OnePay debit card. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.